If you want to set up the Glyph Torch or Glyph Flashlight and assign it to the power button as a shortcut on a Nothing phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings you want to scroll down and then you want to proceed to Special Features. Over here you want to open Gestures, and then here we should be able to find Double Press Power button. Now in here you want to make sure that the torch option is selected, but in addition to that you can tap on a torch and you can choose Glyph Torch instead, and of course confirm your choice. So now if you double press the power button, then as you can see we can easily toggle the flashlight. Of course this works for the 4a Pro model as well. So on 4a Pro all you have to do is go to the same setting menu. Over here we can just select torch as well and choose the Glyph Torch. And then if I just double press the power button, as you can see we can toggle the flashlight on the Glyph matrix. Leave a like and subscribe.